Welcome to my channel, Ashwin Kumar. Now we teach about what is osmotic power systems. It's a new system and generate electricity. It's a process based on when the was the like here is see when sea water and the river water mix at the joint. At the joint we can create electricity. We are learn about how to create electricity by the mixing of river water and sea water. Let's see. Here we draw a system how the osmotic power system is work with the mixing of river water and like fresh water and sea water like salt water. After the mixing, that create a electricity. We are discuss about that things. Let's step by step. Take when seawater comes, there is a water filter is available that can filterize the water and provide pure seawater like salt water to the chamber, second chamber. You can see second chamber that side and the fresh water come in that side. There is also a water filter that can also filterize the water like Dorby's material and some dirty material. Then flow the pure fresh water to the first chamber. There is a two chamber. The second chamber consists of what? Sea water like salty water and the first chamber consists of fresh water. In between the two chambers, there is a membrane exist that can also a filter. What the main concept is when the salt water and fresh water are filled in the chamber, there is a high density in the sea water that can lead to be the fresh water molecule transport to the sea water side that can create high pressure in the second chamber. The high pressure in second chamber can lead to transfer water flow to the turbine sides. You can see the turbine sides that can rotate the turbine and the turbine direct generate the power or electricity that can transfer to the grid and the grid provide electricity or transport electricity to the our home company different types. It's a new technology that not used globally, but some countries like Sweden and different type Netherlands they use this type of technology. India is planning to plant this different area of rivers and seas. So it's a new technology. Thank you to connect with me. And you can see when the water comes to the second chamber to the turbine side, when chamber is moving, the electricity is generated. And the water, residual water, after the power loss of water, the residual water comes to the this side, this pipe. And this is called pressure exchange that can goes through outside. It is a residual water of after the moving of turbine, the other like residual water comes to the this pipe and with the help of pressure exchange, the water is flow in that pipe. It's a very complicated not like system in system, but in it is a very expensive and the mode of operation like osmotic power system and real life. So this system application is very tough and the amount of electricity is not like very high. It depend upon the speed of flow of water and the infrastructure developed in very like development countries have used this platform and like things like fresh water and there is another side is fresh water bleed. At a moment the water is transferred to its side. Some residual water is also there that can be bleed in the fresh water side and that much only. Here we can say some. Here you can say this is the river part and this is the sea part. Sorry, and this is the river part, the river and sea mixer. So the plant should be in that area. The plant would may make that area. Here we can apply the system. So when the mixing of sea and river, here is the sea, and that mixing that can create a system. Okay, and you can also see a very zoom quality. Here the river water is like yellow stripe, and the sea water is greenery. That mix too, and that area also you can make a plant to generate osmotic electricity power. So thank you to connect with me, and you like our topics. So share, like, subscribe, and also connect with you also to know different type of various techie knowledge and some like new technology. Thank you.